So, boys, today is Thursday, May 15th. Made around $1,500 trading the Nasdaq this morning. Took 2 L's and still came out green. So let me explain that, because some of you guys might actually be confused about that. So bias coming to market open, clearly bullish. You see the daily time frame was bullish. We have this daily fair value gap resting above us. We also have a bullish daily fair value gap that price tapped into. On the 4-hour chart, we sweep all of sell side liquidity, including previous day low. On the hourly chart, what do we see? On the hourly chart, we can see how price tapped into in respect to this 1-hour order block right here, right? That was created at 7 a.m. Price comes down, taps into it, respects it, pushing higher. I'm ignoring this 1 hour. I'm assuming that price is going to run through it. Obviously, it's kind of proven wrong. Price has currently been respecting it. Hopefully, we can actually come down and take out data lows. That'd be nice. But we had 2 draws today. Essentially just had a bunch of highs above us that we wanted to get hit. And if this 5-minute, this big ass 5-minute right here was my condition, if this were to get inversed, I would be very open to shorting to data lows. What did price do? Inverse the 5-minute, right? As you can see here. No more bullish confluences. There's nothing pushing price back up. No reason for price to push any higher. There's no 3-minute, no 2-minute, no 1-minute fair value gap. Inverse everything in the leg. That is when there's missing candles here, I think. I feel like that, yeah. 959 is missing. I don't know why price always does this. There was another candle that I entered off here, but it's just not showing up right now. And this was a trade that I lost right here. 2 data lows, brutal. Because it was honestly a great trade, but we cannot control that, right? So we did lose that trade, and we also lost this trade. This was a sweep of the internal low. This was only on eval. This 5-minute was a much better trade, but this was only on eval, right? First trade we took was a sweep of sell side inside a bullish 5-minute, right here. We had this bearish 1-minute fair value gap. Price comes up, inverses it, target the internal high, London and Asian high, which were my draws for the day, right? As you can see, none of them got hit. I did take profit early because I was in this 2 contracts. Took profit early on top steps to secure a $300 day. And then got stopped at break even with the second contract. So thank God I did do that. W trade. Honestly, unhappy it didn't play out because it was a great trade. Second trade was based off a 5-minute inversion right here to the downside, as you can see here. It was based off this 5-minute to the downside. Trying to see if I could show you. 5-minute inversion to the downside, nothing else holding price up to data low. Simple, really. 1 to 1.38, whatever. I just did at equilibrium with this fair value gap. Got stopped out as well on eval. So I think I did blow my alpha capital evals because I'd like to full port them. Not mad about it, just a stupid loss. Because I mean, look at price. It's literally just been chopping around for hours, you know. Very unfortunate. Nothing I can do about it, right? So I don't really mind, but kind of an unfortunate day, if I'm being honest. 2 trades, 2 L's, still up like a band and a half on the day, so I can't be mad about that, obviously. But if you guys have any questions about these trades, let me know, and I'll be there to answer. Have a nice day, boys, and peace out.